XP brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red Hour received now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now.
Hello everyone and welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2025 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are OLA Senior High School, Ho, JUABOSO Senior High School, and AMANIAMPONG Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants representing their schools. OLA Senior High School, Ho, is represented by
Aita Kabuko Blessing.
And
Amponsa Josephine Alberta.
Blessing and Alberta, you are welcome. So last Senior High School, you were not able to join us last year. However, they booked their place at the regional qualifiers when they came up as the top runner-up from the Volta region. What do you have for us, Ola Senior High?
We hope to provide the best.
Okay. I wish you all the best. JUABOSO Senior High School is represented by
Gideon Asuman
and
Elijah Atakujo.
Okay, Gideon and Elijah, you are also welcome. So JUABOSO Senior High School, this is your first time at the National Championship, and you also joined us as a top runner-up from the Western North qualifiers. Please tell us, this is your first time. How has it been? How has the journey been?
It hasn't been so easy for us, but we hope for the best because the sky is our limit.
Oh yes, oh yes. So then I wish you all the best. AMANIAMPONG Senior High School is represented by
Kandre Nicholas
and
Benedict Apiakusi.
So that's Benedict and Nicholas. You are welcome. So AMANIAMPONG Senior High School gave a good performance last year, but you missed out narrowly at the 1-8 stage. But this year, they said they are back. What do you have for us?
Okay, our journey has been a great learning experience.
Okay.
We've encountered many challenges, but with God, we've overcome all of them. And it has also been very rewarding. But today, we are hoping that the God Almighty, our Creator, will take us through this one too, as always.
Always. Okay. As always, I wish you all the best. Okay. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOIL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, JUPay Money Transfer, Trustar AI, Adansi Travels, Rowan Air, Kivo Gari, Spin City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. We zoom in straight to round 1. In this round, contestants, the questions are to each school. You have 10 seconds if the question does not involve calculation, or 30 seconds within which to give an answer if the question involves calculation. Okay? It's your major question. Take your time, because I take only one answer. I don't like when you will start, stop, and begin with a different answer. I will not take any of them. So take your time, deliver your answer, and I will give a judgment. Is that okay? If the answer is correct, the school gets a maximum point of 3. If it is incorrect, I may pass the question on for a bonus. And the first out of the other 2 schools to ring the bell will get the opportunity to answer. Let me stress on this. If I have not ruled on the answer, please don't ring the bell. You might be interrupting the answer being given. So wait for me to rule, then you can what? Ring your bell. I'll call you to give your answer. Okay? If you give a correct answer, you may get a bonus point of 1. If it is incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. So be sure before you press the bell, because these points are precious. So let's be careful. With that, we start round 1. I will start from OLA Senior High. Okay. But it's a preamble to all schools. Find the derivative of the rational function. Find the derivative of the rational function. I'll give a rational function. You have to give me the derivative. OLA Senior High. Y equals numerator 2x minus 3, denominator x plus 2.
dy dx is equal to a fraction with numerator 7 and denominator x plus 2, all this squared.
Yes, that's correct. JUABOSO Senior High. Y equals, the numerator is 3x plus 2, with the denominator being 2x minus 3. Yes, Gideon.
Okay, we have dy dx to be equal to negative a fraction with numerator negative 13 and denominator 2s minus 3, all to the power 2.
Yes, that's correct. Amaniampong Senior High. Y equals, with the numerator x plus 4 and denominator 4x minus 1. Yes, sorry, Nicholas.
dy dx is equal to a fraction with numerator negative 17 and denominator 4x minus 1. This expression is squared.
Incorrect. For a bonus, okay, so it is dy dx equals negative 7 over the expression 4x minus 1, this expression squared, not negative 17. Okay. Another preamble. Explain the given term clearly as used in biology. Explain the given term clearly as used in biology. OLA Senior High, classification.
So, classification is the sorting out and grouping of organisms into various taxa due to the presence of certain similarities and characteristics of the organisms.
2 out of 3. Okay. JUABOSO Senior High. Yours is taxonomic hierarchy. For a bonus. Okay, I'll come back to it. Amaniampong Senior High. Binomial nomenclature of organisms. Yes, Benedict.
Okay. Binomial nomenclature is a system of naming of organisms where each organism is given a two-part name. Two-part Latin name, the first representing the genus of the organism and the second being a species name.
Okay, I'll take it. So, yes, it's the system of naming organisms where they are giving two parts or two names. So the first part of the name represents the genus which you mentioned, while the second part refers to the specific epithet. But since it's round one, I'm being generous. So I'll give you the 3. Okay. JUABOSO, the definition for taxonomic hierarchy is an ordered group of taxonomic rank used to classify organisms from the general to specific. Then for OLA, the reason why I gave you the 2, listen, it is the placement of organisms into groups according to their similarities you mentioned, and you mentioned the groups in structure, physiological processes, and ancestry. You mentioned similar characteristics. I was hoping you add some examples. That's why I gave you the 2. All right. Okay. Another preamble. Determine the group and period to which the elements with the given valence electron configuration belong. So determine the group and period to which the elements with the given valence electron configuration belongs. OLA Senior High, Ho, 2P1.
Yeah.
Yes, Blessing.
Period 2 and group 1.
Incorrect. I'll give 2 out of 3. JUABOSO Senior High, 4P3. Yes, Gideon.
The period is period 4, and the group is 5.
Incorrect. 2 out of 3. AMANIAMPONG Senior High, 3P6. Yes, Nicholas.
Period 3, group 18.
Yes, that's correct. So, OLA is period 2, group 13. And then for JUABOSO is group 4, group 15. Yes, period 4, group 15. Okay. Another preamble, 30 seconds. A student is designing a series LR circuit to have a time constant of 5 milliseconds. A student is designing a series LR circuit to have a time constant of 5 milliseconds. OLA Senior High Ho, find R if L equals 20 millihenry is chosen.
Four ohm.
That's correct. JUABOSO Senior High, find L if R equals 1.6 ohm is chosen. Yes, Gideon.
Okay. 3.15 Henry.
Incorrect. Yes, AMANIAMPONG for a bonus. Benedict.
We have 8 or 2 seconds. Millihenry.
Yes, that's correct. Your major question, AMANIAMPONG. Find R if L equals 25 millihenry is chosen. Yes, Benedict.
5 ohms.
Yes, that's correct. Another preamble. Determine the empirical formula of a compound with the given composition by mass. Determine the empirical formula of a compound with the given composition by mass. OLA Senior High Ho, 25.0% carbon, 8.4% hydrogen, and 66.6% oxygen. Yes. Blessing.
Capital C.
Just give me the letters. Okay.
CH4O2.
That's correct. JUABOSO Senior High. Yours is 20.6% nitrogen, 8.9% hydrogen, and 70.5% oxygen. Yes, Gideon.
Okay, we have N5O3.
That's incorrect. AMANIAMPONG for a bonus.
We have NH subscript 6, O subscript 3.
That's correct. Amaniampong Senior High. Yours is 18.4% aluminium, 16.3% carbon, and 65.3% oxygen. Yes, Benedict.
We have A, L, C, 2, O, 6.
Yes, that's correct. We have another preamble. Indicates the parts of mammals to which the given description refers. So I'll be giving you a description and you have to give me the part of the mammal that I'm describing. Okay? Right. OLA Senior High. The space found within a skull which is occupied by the brain. Yes, Blessing.
The cranium.
Incorrect. Yes, Amaniampong.
Cranial cavity.
Yes, I'll take that one. JUABOSO Senior High. A central compartment within the upper part of the torso, enclosed by the ribs, the vertebral column, and the sternum. Yes, Gideon.
The thoracic cavity.
Yes, that's correct. Amaniampong Senior High. The bony framework in the thoracic region that provides structural support and protection for vital organs such as the heart and lungs. Yes, Nicholas.
The rib cage.
That's correct. Another preamble. Light is incident on the boundary between two media of refractive indexes 1.4 and 1.6. Light is incident on the boundary between two media of refractive indices 1.4 and 1.6. Did you get the preamble? OLA Senior High. Find the sign of the angle of refraction if the angle of incidence is 30.0 degrees and the light passes from the less dense to the denser medium.
We have 7 on 60.
Incorrect. Amaniampong Senior High.
We have 0.44.
Yes. JUABOSO Senior High. Okay. Find the sign of the angle of incidence if the angle of refraction is 30.0 degrees and the light passes from the less dense to the denser medium. Yes.
0.57.
That's correct. Amaniampong Senior High. Find the sign of the angle of refraction if the angle of incidence is 45 degrees and the light passes from the denser to the less dense medium. Benedict.
0.81.
Incorrect. For a bonus. .88 is the answer. Please let your attention be here. Do not look into the audience. All right? The last set of questions for round 1. Another preamble. Find as a rational number the sum of the given infinite series. Find as a rational number the sum of the given infinite or infinite series. OLA Senior High, 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus on and on.
We have a fraction with numerator 10 and denominator 9.
Yes, that's correct. JUABOSO Senior High, yours is 20 minus 2 plus 0.2 minus 0.02 plus 0.002 minus, then the series continues. Yes, Gideon.
We have a fraction with numerator 9 and denominator 99.
Incorrect. AMANIAMPONG for a bonus. Yes. Nicholas.
A fraction with numerator 200 and denominator 11.
Yes. Your major question, AMANIAMPONG. 10 plus 2 plus 0.4 plus 0.08 plus, then the series continues. Yes, Benedict.
25 on 2.
Yes, that's correct. And that ends round 1.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefeel. Goil. Good energy.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red, I received so.
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming.
She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here?
Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Trodine, no sweet Miss Everborn Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year, come with this year. Make up
increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenium. True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity School is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me your pain. We hope you make the most of your money. Need, send fire to pay. Show me your pain.
JUPE Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the JUPE app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the JUPE train. JUPE Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via JUPE.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels, feel life's beauty.
So before I give the results for round 1, some petitions to address. The first set of math questions. The major question to AMANIAMPONG Senior High, they were to find the derivative for y equals x plus 4, all divided by 4x minus 1. The answer should be negative 17, all divided by 4x minus 1, that expression squared. So they get the full 3 points. Then the physics set of questions, the second set, where they were to find the sign of the angle of refraction. This is also for AMANIAMPONG Senior High. If the angle of incidence is 45 degrees and the light passes from the dense to the less dense with the refractive index 1.4 and 1.6, the answer is 0.81. So the answer they provided is also correct. They get 3 points for that as well. So at the end of round 1, the scores are JUABOSO Senior High School 11 points, OLA Senior High School holds 16 points, AMANIAMPONG Senior High School 29 points. We move to round 2. So in this round, we have the Truster AI speed race. This round, the questions are to the schools simultaneously. The first school to attempt and gives a correct answer, 3 points. The second school that attempts and gets a correct answer, gives a correct answer, 2 points. The third school that attempts and gives a correct answer, 1 point. But all incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. Mind you, when you press the bell, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving an answer, or you will be belled out. And that's our bell. You hear this bell. Once you hear that bell, I am not taking any answer from you, and you get a deduction of 1 point. So please bear that in mind. The speed race is sponsored by Truster AI, your real world experience. So what kind of experience are we going to have? Contestant? Speed? Okay. Speed race, question 1. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? AMANIAMPONG.
It is double helix.
Yes. Ten seconds. What name is given to mitochondrion without an outer membrane? Yes, AMANIAMPONG Senior High.
Mesosome.
Incorrect. Mitoplast. It's mitoplast. 10 seconds. Name the substance that displaces water and becomes the secondary cell wall of plants, waterproof and Yes, AMANIAMPONG Senior High.
Superin.
Incorrect. Who rank? OLA Senior High.
Lignin.
Lignin is correct. 30 seconds. Find the degree measure of the smaller angle between the hands of a clock when the time is 5 a.m. Yes, AMANIAMPONG.
150 degrees.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. Can you all calculate that? Yes. Okay. Find the total surface area of a cube if its volume is 729 centimeter cube. AMANIAMPONG Senior High.
We have 486 centimeters squared.
That's correct. Next, 30 seconds. Evaluate the definite integral of the expression 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 as x moves from 0 to 2. Yes, Amaniampong Senior High?
4.
4 is correct. 30 seconds. I'm experiencing the speed. Find the change in kinetic energy of an object which moves 5 meters in the direction of a 4 Newton net force acting on it. Amaniampong Senior High?
20 joules.
Yes, that's correct. Next, 30 seconds. A 50 ohm resistor and a 25 ohm resistor are connected in parallel. Find the current in the 50 ohm resistor when a 0.2 ampere current flows through the 25 ohm resistor. Amaniampong?
0.4 ampere.
No. What value of current did I give? Okay. No. (0.1). Answer is 0.1 ampere. Okay. 30 seconds. Find the greatest height attained by a projectile whose vertical component of velocity at launch is 4. Amaniampong?
0.8 meters.
That's correct. Oh yes, the AI is working here. Okay. Trust that AI. Calculate the mass of sodium carbonate required to neutralize 25.0 centimeter cube of 0.200 mole per decimeter cube hydrochloric acid. Amaniampong Senior High?
1.06 grams.
No. Yes, JUABOSO, OLA Senior High.
We have 1.1 grams.
No. The mole ratio is 1:2. Okay? So the grams should be 0.265 grams. 30 seconds. A sample of oxygen gas occupies 44.8 decimeter cube at 273 Kelvin and 101 kilopascal. If the gas is heated to 546 Kelvin at constant pressure, what is its new volume? OLA Senior High Ho?
89.6 decimeter cube.
That is correct. Yes. Yes. The girls too can do it. Next. Oh, the last question for round 2. Oh. Determine the half-life of a 12.0 gram sample of a radioactive isotope if it decays to 0.375 grams in 6.00 hours. Ola Senior High Ho.
1.2 hours.
No. Who pressed? AMANIAMPONG.
They have 1.00 hours.
No. My friends from the West. Okay, so the answer is 1.20 hours. Significant figures. They are significant. And that ends round 2.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent? Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Okay, at the end of that exciting round, here are the scores. JUABOSO Senior High School, 11 points. OLA Senior High School hold 19 points. AMANIAMPONG Senior High School, 42 points. Okay, we move to round 3, the problem of the day. Unfortunately, this round, there's no AI to help us. But I know my contestants are capable. At stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. So this NSMQ Star will reward the school that is able to get a perfect score of 10 out of 10 points for the problem of the day. A star at this stage of the competition is worth 2,000 cedis. And this goes to the team, 500 cedis each to the 3 contestants, and then their teacher. So in this round, I'll give you 1 question, and you have 4 minutes to provide a solution to that question. So you can imagine that question is a bit loaded. Okay? After that 4 minutes, I will grade your solutions and then present the grades that you got. The NSMQ star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Please, contestants, be on your feet. You can take the monitor to the writing page. Okay, now face the audience. Put your pens down. Please put your pens down. Okay, show your hands. Now pick up the sheet of papers as we read through the problem of the day. It is from physics. Oh, this one, easy. States the work energy principle. That's A. Then B. A particle of mass 6.0 kilograms moving along the x-axis is only acted upon by the force F, which is given as kx, where k is a constant. The force on the particle is 16 Newton at x equals 2.0 meters. I. Give the SI unit for k in terms of base units. Find the value of k. Find the velocity of the particle. If the velocity of the particle is 3.0 meters per second at x equals 2.0 meters, find the kinetic energy of the particle at x equals 5.0 meters. This is the problem of the day. Contestant, you have 4 minutes. You may start. Okay, so we have the solutions from our contestants. Let's go through the solution from the consultant. A states the work energy principle, and this is the work done by the net force on an object equals the change in kinetic energy of the object, or you can say the net work done on an object equals the change in kinetic energy of the object. If you say this, 2 marks. Okay? And bear in mind that that net force we are talking about equals the sum of all the forces that are working on it. This is crucial for you to work the last question. Right? So, if you're able to give the correct principle, 2 marks. Then B said, a particle of mass 6.0 kilograms moving along the x-axis is only acted upon by the force F equals kx, where k is a constant. And you are given that the force is 16 newtons for x equals 2.0. Give the SI unit for k in terms of the base unit. So the SI unit for k is Newton per meter. But the question said give in terms of base units. And so this is kilogram per second squared. Right? If you give that 2 marks. Then you were to find the value of k. And this is, you can get it from F equals kx. You've been given F, and you know the value of x. So k then is equal to 8.0 Newton per meter. And this will also fetch you 2 marks. Okay. At this point, we've done 6 marks. So the III. If the velocity of the particle is 3.0 meters per second at x equals 2.0 meters, find the kinetic energy of the particle at x equals 5.0 meters. So, as I said from earlier on, the total kinetic energy will be equal to all the sum of the forces acting on it. So in order for us to find K2, which is the kinetic energy for x equals 5.0, we have to find K1. And that's when x is equal to 2.0 meters. And K1 is given as half mv1 squared. And we are given the velocity and we are given the mass, so you get K1 to be equal to 12 joules. So, per the work energy principle, the kinetic energy K2 at x equals 5.0 would be K2 is equal to K1 plus the change in the work, the change in the kinetic energy of the object, right? Or the work done. You get that? Okay. So, if you do the changes in the work done, you will find, you come to the expression K1 plus half K into brackets x squared minus x2 squared minus x1 squared. And we have K1 to be 12 joules. And if you compute that second expression, you should come to 84 joules. So 84 plus 12 joules should give you 96 joules. And that is the kinetic energy at K2. So if you're able to go through all that, see it was lengthy, 4 points. And that makes, oh, this one, and that makes it 10 points. Now to our contestant, JUABOSO Senior High School. JUABOSO, you were to state the work function, the work energy principle. I didn't get that. Then for BI, you were to give the SI units of K in terms of the base unit. You gave the SI units. I think you forgot that it was supposed to be in base units. So I gave 1 point for that, for the Newton per meter. Okay? Then I, you were able to calculate the value of K, so you get 2 points. Then for I, you were using that V varies with X. I don't know if that would have given you the answer, but you didn't get the answer there and it affected everything. So at the end, you get 3 points out of 10. OLA Senior High School, Ho, you were able to state the principle, so 2 points. You gave the unit of K in base unit, so 2 points. You were able to find the value of K, 2 points. But the I don't know what went wrong. You were using acceleration, so you were off right from the beginning, so you end up with 6 points out of 10. AMANIAMPONG Senior High, you were able to give the principal 2 points. You gave the right unit for K, 2 points. You gave the value of K, 2 points. For I, you started with finding the work done. And so you got the 84 joules, but you forgot that it was the sum of the two forces. So you should have found the kinetic energy for the first at x equals 2.0. For that, I gave 2 points, so they get 8 out of 10. And that ends round 3.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red Hour receive now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Okay, so at the end of round 3, JUABOSO Senior High School 14 points, OLA Senior High School Ho 25 points, AMANIAMPONG Senior High School 50 points. We move to round 4, which is the true or false round. But before that, substitution for OLA Senior High School Ho, we have Miriam Sambala coming in for Blessing Aita. Thank you, Blessing, for being with us. Miriam, you are welcome. Please take the screens back to your crest. The true or false round. So this is the JUPE true or false round. I give a statement to each school. You have 10 seconds to give me an answer. Correct answer, 2 points. Incorrect answer, deduction of 1 point. You may choose not to answer. For that, I'll pass the statement on. The first school to ring the bell out of the other 2 schools will have the opportunity to answer 4 2 points if it's correct, but a deduction of 1 point if it is incorrect. At stake in this round, we have the JUPay money transfer $20 promo. How much is $20? Yes. So during this NSMQ season, if any of the alumni abroad sends money to Ghana, so if you have an uncle in UK, tell them to send money. If they do send money and use your school's exclusive promo code, JUPay will reward the school with $20 for each transaction. And this is supposed to be used for developmental projects in the school. So the true or false round is proudly sponsored by JUPay money transfer. Meet a need, send via JUPay. With that, we start round 4. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Are we ready? Okay. Preamble. The electrical resistance of a steel wire near room temperature. The electrical resistance of a steel wire near room temperature, OLA Senior High Ho, is independent of temperature. Yes, Miriam.
False.
It's false. Yes, it's a false statement. JUABOSO Senior High decreases as temperature decreases. Yes, Gideon.
True.
It's a true statement, yes. AMANIAMPONG Senior High decreases as temperature increases. Yes, Nicholas.
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. Another preamble. The given geometric figure has a center of symmetry. The given geometric figure has a center of symmetry. OLA Senior High, an equilateral parallelogram. Miriam?
True.
Yes, it's a true statement. JUABOSO Senior High, an isosceles triangle.
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. AMANIAMPONG Senior High, an isosceles trapezium. Nicholas?
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. OLA Senior High, compounds can be broken down into simpler substances by physical means.
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. JUABOSO Senior High, mixtures can always be separated into their components by physical methods. Gideon?
False.
No. Gideon, that's a true statement. AMANIAMPONG Senior High, an element is made up of only one type of atom.
True.
Yes, it's a true statement. OLA Senior High, the members of Rudophyta are not always in red color.
False.
No, that is a true statement. JUABOSO Senior High, red algae can be unicellular or multicellular.
False.
No, Gideon, that is a true statement. AMANIAMPONG Senior High, pit connections and pit plugs are unique features of red algae. Nicholas?
True.
Yes, that's a true statement. OLA Senior High, the kinetic energy of a projectile vanishes at the highest point on its trajectory.
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. JUABOSO Senior High. The total energy of a projectile consists entirely of potential energy at the highest point on its trajectory. Yes, Gideon?
False.
Yes, that is a false statement. AMANIAMPONG Senior High. The vertical component of the velocity of a projectile vanishes at the highest point on its trajectory. Yes, Nicholas?
True.
Yes, that's a true statement. OLA Senior High Ho. The number of babies born in a hospital in a day is a discrete variable.
True.
Yes, it's a true statement. JUABOSO Senior High. The weight of a newborn baby is a discrete variable. Gideon?
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. AMANIAMPONG Senior High. The height of a student in a class is a discrete variable. Yes, Nicholas?
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. OLA Senior High. The pH of an aqueous solution of a basic salt is always greater than 7.
True.
Yes, that's true. JUABOSO Senior High. The aqueous solution of pure sodium chloride is always neutral at STP. Gideon?
True.
That is correct. AMANIAMPONG Senior High. An aqueous solution of potassium carbonate is always basic. Nicholas?
True.
Yes, that's correct. OLA Senior High Ho. Phagocytosis occurs through the formation of small active invaginations in the cell membranes.
True.
No, that is not correct. JUABOSO Senior High. Phagocytosis plays a critical role in the immune system. Gideon?
False.
No, Gideon. That is a true statement. AMANIAMPONG Senior High. During phagocytosis, big solid particles are ingested, which are then broken down by lysosomal enzymes. Nicholas?
True.
Yes. And that ends round 4.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Here.
Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow.
Okay. At the end of round 4, JUABOSO Senior High School 21 points. OLA Senior High School hold 35 points. AMANIAMPONG Senior High School, unlike Onana, kept a clean sheet, 66 points. We move to round 5, which is the riddles round. In this round, we have the Girl Riddle Bonanza. This will reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage of the competition, if the school solves 3 riddles correctly, the team gets 800 Ghana cedis. But if you're able to solve all 4 riddles correctly, the team gets 1,200 cedis. The Girl Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Girl Good Energy. So, with that good energy, round 5. I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. You can stop me at any time by ringing your bell. Anytime. If you give a correct answer whilst I'm on clue number 1, 5 points. If I'm on clue number 2, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. If you're unsuccessful though, you have to sit out. When we move to the next riddle, then you join us. Let's hear the bells from the schools. OLA Senior High, JUABOSO Senior High, and AMANIAMPONG Senior High. Let's win some money. I am a type of bone characterized by several key features. I am not only significant for my mechanical function, but also serves as an attachment point for muscles and ligaments. Fractures at my distal end are common injuries associated with falls. I am the shorter of the 2 bones in the lower. AMANIAMPONG Senior High. Benedict.
We have the femur.
Incorrect. I'm the shorter of the 2 bones in the lower section of the forelimb of a tetra. OLA Senior High Ho.
Tibia.
Listen to the microphone.
Tibia.
No. Of a tetrapod vertebrate. I run parallel to the ulna, the other bone in the forearm. JUABOSO Senior High.
Radius.
That is correct. Next riddle. I am a type of particle. I am a charged particle emitted in certain radioactive decay events. I may also emerge from certain creation events. I am second in a OLA Senior High.
Beta particle.
Yes, that is correct. I was on clue number 4, 3 points. Show them. Okay. Next riddle. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles is equal to the sum of my exterior angles. My diagonals are perpendicular. I have 1 pair of congruent opposite interior angles. AMANIAMPONG Senior High.
Kite.
Kite is correct. Unlike my relatives, I am only a weak acid. OLA Senior High.
Hydrogen fluoride.
Yes, hydrogen fluoride is correct. And that ends round 5.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We've come to the end of the contest. And at the end of the contest, JUABOSO Senior High School, 24 points. OLA Senior High School, 41 points. AMANIAMPONG Senior High School, 69 points. Congratulations, AMANIAMPONG Senior High School, for winning this contest and qualifying for the 1-8 stage. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Your score of 69 at the moment is the highest for the day in this auditorium. If it stays the highest, you stand a chance to win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 1,000 cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. JUABOSO and OLA Senior High. I was hoping to see smiles, but unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to you here. Hopefully next year, we'll see you with bigger smiles. All right. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Do join us when we bring you the next contest, which also promises to be exciting. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, JUPay Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adansi Travels, Rowan Air, Kivo Gary, Spin City Laundry Mats, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissue, Imago from Hashcom, GTP NYFM. I am Dr. Anita Pong, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Thank you.
Energy brings you quality choices with Gold Super XP. Available in many Gold stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Gold station today and energize your ride with Gold Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Gold Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent? Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow?
Grandpa, chase me.
What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here?
Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet Miss Everborn Dutch. 5 weeks this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Down this year. Make up
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenam.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, Charity School is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adrian. What? That shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Nature Jupe is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Draw me to pay.
My boy.
Help you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Draw me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels, feel life's beauty.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies, ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.